In the meantime,
my name is Sandra Losty and I'm the creator of the Perfect Wedding Experience.
Yeah, I'm Lan from China. I'm just graduated from a university in Ireland.
Well, I'm in the startup phase of the business at the moment, and I suppose I became aware of lots of gaps in my knowledge to move the business forward. So the outline of the course really just resonated with me that these would fill these gaps, and they did.
This is an amazing workshop. I got my business idea actually because I was planning to find a job in Ireland, but after this workshop I am planning to build my own business.
How I would make myself known on social media, I really didn't know how to do that. So that was really useful, really helpful, simple tips. I've really come away with a sense of my own value. This is what people need to take that fear of even thinking about setting up their own business away. This gives us a taster, it gives us a chance to have a look and see what's involved in it. And I think for me, if I had had this course maybe a year ago, I probably would be self-employed fully by now.
After participating in this, you will find you learned is just it's not just knowledge. Maybe there are so many secrets or other stories you can't imagine before.
You have nothing to lose and everything to gain, and that might sound like a cliche, but it's absolutely true. I would say to the sponsors in Ireland, this is the kind of course that if we're looking at building small and medium businesses in Ireland, this is the course that's going to help people to do it, to help them understand what they need to do internally to make that step into that field of being self-employed.
It's perfect, it's amazing.
I feel more confident now that I can actually fully become a self-employed person, contribute in that way, and then build my business. I'm juiced, I'm sorry, I'm so excited.